Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sam. Thanks for joining. If you have been here before, well then welcome back. I am doing a room tour, final room tour review tour. Wait, let me start that over. I am doing a room tour, a final, what's the word I'm looking for? Reveal. I am doing a room tour and a final reveal. There are a few little odds and ends that need to be done still, but if I keep waiting for it to be perfect, I'm never going to make this video. So, because I can't just go out and get everything I need all at once. Same with my house. I need to just go ahead and just clean my house and do my house tour because I've been here a couple months now and I've yet to do a house tour because I keep waiting for little bits and pieces and things to come together. And if I keep waiting, the house tour is going to be next year. So that will be coming soon. It'll just be, I'm just going to clean up the house and give you all the house tour while it's missing things. But anyway, that will be in a future video. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. And let's go ahead and get right into it. This is a view from my desk area. And it's going to be kind of an in-depth tour. So this is all my like ivy and I put lights in it. And there's these little balls, these little pink fluffy balls. And then that right there is a buffet. So the story with that is I ordered it for my dining room. It came broken and I'll show you the broken parts. They sent me a new one. That one also came broken. They told me to keep this one. It works. It's just broken and not in the best shape, but it also is fine for what I need it for because when I moved here, I threw away all my makeup storage because they were like crappy drawers that didn't work and they drove me nuts. So I just got rid of them and I sold some at a yard sale. But anyway, so this is what I'm working with now for my makeup until one day maybe I can get to an IKEA for the first time ever and get something. So this is what's working for now, and it works just fine. So again, that's that corner, and I will go through and show you the details of everything after I show you a little overview. That's a little mirror / jewelry holder. That's like my backdrop basically for my desk area. And then this is my desk area. So this side over here, I put my books and journals and stuff. So it's by my couch so I can reach over, grab it when I want to sit here and journal. Then I have my makeup side, my mirror, all the things like that. And then this is my office side with everything office. Let me put this chair back. So that's what that looks like. Super cute. My little macrame. And then going over to this side of the room, I essentially made 3 areas in a small room and made it work. And then if you know me, you know my aesthetic is buck wild and crazy and eclectic. And I like everything to be me. I don't need all this adult looking stuff. I never understood where people got, just because you're an adult, you have to have neutrals and boring stuff. I still want my personality and everything. And if this room isn't my personality, then I don't know what is. So this is my little living room area. It's my gaming area, essentially. I game right there. I'm addicted to Fortnite. I will be streaming Fortnite soon. I haven't decided if I'm going to put my streaming on this channel or make my own streaming channel. Maybe you guys get back to me on that. I'm not really sure. So anyway, this is that little area. That down there needs to go in a bin or something, but that's just how it's laying for now. So... and then over here is this is some friends and a photo. I need to fill that one in. I had to replace that one because me and that person don't talk no more. But these are all my rocks, my chakra cards. Oh my God, y'all. I thought I didn't have all my jewelry from my other house. And I do. Y'all, I had to put all that in that jewelry holder. Oh my God, I hate it here. I thought there was rocks in there this whole time. Anyway, moving on. These are all my smell goods. It's nothing fancy, nothing over the top. I'm not a big collector of super fancy perfumes. I would like to be, but they're fucking expensive. So I buy them sparsely here and there and pretty much use them up so they don't get to sit here and collect. Anyway, like I said, gaming area. I got my controller. I have another controller somewhere, probably at the old house. This is to turn all my lights on, and then those are my headsets. I want a Razer headset, and I want a charging station, as you guys heard earlier. All my incense are up there, little cute candles, and yeah, yoga mat, some arts and crafts supplies down there. I need somewhere to put all my arts and crafts stuff, which I have a drawer at the old house, or a dresser at the old house, and I have yet to do that. So Anyway, there's not much detail to talk about there, but let's go over this area. I need to get little sprigs of something to put in these are in the dollar section at Target. How cute, right? And then I need a vase to put all my little pampas grass in, but I have yet to do that. And then that's my new travel bags. They're by Allie Glines. Oh, amazing. Maybe I'll show you them in the later part of this video. But anywho, this is where part of that is damaged. That's okay though. This is a jewelry box. This is all my gauges in here. How cute is this? I was thinking about putting earrings like in this pillow, but I ended up not needing to. So isn't that adorable? I can't even stand how cute that is. I might put a little baby on it. Anyway, this is more jewelry here. It's no organization. That's just all my like piercing type jewelry. This is all lip products right here. So I do have a bunch of stuffed animals that my friends have got me over the years. And they're at the old house, but basically just stuffed animals. My friends, when they think of me, they give me them. So I was thinking about getting one of those nets to put up in the corner of one of these corners, like I'm a 12-year-old, because let's be real, I am. And putting all my babies in there because they're sentimental to me and they're things that people thought of me when they saw and bought them. Also, I have this little cubby up here that I'm painting that back wall the same emerald green color as over here. But, and I could put them up there, but then I feel like I could just put so much more good stuff up there. So I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm doing with that spot yet. But that's okay. Anyway, back to here. That's all my lip product. And then you come down here. These are all my foundations. I have, oh, we're blurring out here. Focus. There we go. These are all my foundations. Then we're going to go over to the right here. Some of these drawers are a little hard to come out. These are all my blushes. See, I'm not in love with this because of the same drawer situation I was dealing with before. Anyway, I can do it two-handed, but with one-handed it's a little hard. These are all my blushes. See? Oh, it's a little annoying. But anyway, it'll do for now because I don't have all the money in the world to go get everything I need at once. These are all my, see that belongs down there. It must have been stuck. These are all my powders. It's definitely not ideal, guys. Bear with me. Sometimes you gotta make do with what you got. Okay, and then these are all my bronzers, contour. Then moving over here, these are all my, oh God, are you kidding me right now? Somebody's trying to get in. No, come on. Come on, Trippy Dippy. I had to take this out because it was getting caught and these drawers already give me enough hell. So anyway, these are all my concealers and eyeshadow primers. These are all my primers. There's no way to organize them now. I mean, there is probably, but these are all my highlighters. I'm very not keep it clean when I have it in there, so I just kind of throw shit back in there, so I didn't even waste my time with it. And then in these drawers, again, there's another busted part. In these drawers are all my eyeshadow palettes. I don't idealistically like this because it's hard for me to see everything, but hey, it's what I have for now, so it will work. Down here is all extra palettes I don't have room for. New stuff I haven't tried yet, new stuff I haven't tried yet, and then a junk basket, essentially. And then little travel bags underneath there. My cute little fuzzy, feathery lamp I just love. Coming into here, this is my jewelry holder that I just, oh, not just got, I've had for months, I just put together. I'm out of breath, I'm talking too much. Oh. All right, starting at the top here, we have all my little studs. Bunch of studs. These are like danglies and cuffs. And then bracelets. Danglies that can't go up there, and gauges that have danglies, and then necklaces. And as you saw, I have a million more that need to go in here that I thought were at the other house this whole time. That's okay. These are rings. These are my Apple Watch, different to switch up my Apple Watch face and what's it called? Wrist part? Anyway, I don't have anything in here. It looks like it's meant to be makeup and stuff, but it just makes no sense for me to have my makeup in my jewelry, so. More chokers that are apparently in that last thing I just looked at. I'm so upset about that. Glasses, I need more glasses. Once I get more glasses, I will then put them in here, and this will be where all my glasses will go. But this is where all my extra jewelry, like boxes and stuff are for now until then, so. That's me. My little backdrop like I showed you guys. This is my office area. These are my little affirmation notes and my reminder notes. I got some really cute little what are they called? Sticky notes right here. Oops. Whoopsie. Those are some headphones. Those are some headphones, some office tape, my moon journal, my daily moon, like it's like quotes of the day, things like that. This is my like month, basically, what I should be doing in the month. I have other things I need to write down, but here we are. Down below here is more office stuff. There's like stickers and a ruler, not a ruler, a hole punch back there. Oh my God, focus. This is all my extra office supplies, like paper clips. Look how cute these little clips are. There's a bunch of different like styles of clips I have in there. Oh my God, focus. Jeez. And these little cactus things. Anyway, they're super cute. Then down there, stuff that needs to go to my friend. I have a little like crafts box I'm starting down there. This is extra storage stuff. That's Peanut. That's a Peanut. Him wanted to make a debut. Him's handsome boy. Yeah. Got my trash can over there. Anyway, moving along, we got my mouse. My mouse pad's at my old house too, so here we are. Look at my little unicorn little guy that I put on there. Anyway, this is all my tools, lip scrubs, little brush thingy. This is like brows and I'm having a brain fart. Is this all brows? I don't remember. Oh, brows and like eyeshadow sticks. And then palettes that I reach for pretty often. More big palettes that I reach for pretty often. And then these are all my other main reaches. So I don't have to keep looking in that little section that we showed you earlier. This is like main palettes that I reach for between contour, highlighter, eyeshadow. Up here are all my mascaras. I'm going through mascaras like crazy. These are all open because I can never find a mascara I like. That's its own video, so basically I can't find one that doesn't smudge or flake or get all over my oily eyelids. So anyway, these are like single eyeshadows, eyeshadow glitters. These are little sample perfumes, and then eyeliners, smell goods, little easy reach for things up here like my dew drops, my iconic drops, some setting sprays, some serum, my fan when I'm doing my makeup, or this fan if I want to like have it on me. This is my weekly stuff, like lists, affirmations, things I need to do, my videos, things like that. Oop. This is what I just had y'all posted up on because I hate sticking it in here. So it's easier to just throw it on there. This is my little Impressions vanity babe got me. It's not plugged in, so I can't turn it on, but it's Bluetooth, all kinds of stuff. It's super cool. Then these are all my brushes right here. And then little cotton rounds and things like that that I would need while doing my makeup. I have a little bucket full of sponges, and then that's like another little junk drawer back there. And then my empties. When I make my empties videos, when this fills up is when I make it. So yeah. And then over here are all my journals. It's like my crystal journals, my star journals, zodiac sign journals, things like that. I have this magazine that's old from forever ago, but it's Miley Cyrus on the cover, so I will never throw it away because if you guys know, I love her. Obsessed. Just more journals, self-care, things like that. Yeah. And that's that. And then, like I said, my little couch, and this is where I game. Oh, and then I didn't show you guys my shoe closet. Oh, this is where I keep my bags. Hat. I have a hat holder being made. That's macrame by a friend. And then my shoes. Okay. And then I have all my other hats right here. This is like belts and beanies and scarves. All my shoes are not in here, and it's kind of ghetto the way it's set up. But again, if I waited for shelving, we'd never get it done. And then backpacks up there, and we're not going to talk about up there. That's a whole nother event. And I'm not doing it. I'm freaking doing it, dude. I'm freaking doing it. Anyway, so that's it. That's the overview of my room. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. If you like this style of video, I love giving tours of my room. I can do declutter tours, things like, or declutter videos, things like that. So just tell me what you guys want to see in the comments below. And I love you guys, and thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.